had deja vu. It's weird. Hey Gearheads, thanks for tuning in. On this episode of Dan's Garage, Dan's going to be putting this in the correct way. I mean, I think it looks great, but we're going to see how he did it, because, I mean, it looks like a pretty impressive job. Hey Dan, run that intro!
Seems like this is just a dash cover. I know a lot of these older trucks, the dashes would kind of dry up and corrode and start like defoaming or whatever. So let's see what's there. Oh wait, I got this hose or wire or something coming through for the antenna. I don't know what it is. Oh wait, there you go. Looks like it was for a GPS or something, but it's not connected. So we go ahead and pull this off. See what it looks like. So yes, looks like this is the original dash. It's the original foam, so it's all corroded and disgusting. Here's a wire for that GPS. We just pull that out. So yeah, I mean, I would rather just get a new dash pad and have the correct operation in here. That thing, I'm sure there's a right way to hook it up. That was not it. All right, let's see if this will come off. Usually I think these just have screws on the front and then they kind of clip off like that. It's just vents. This dash cover does not look good when I'm done. You can't say it's not because I didn't clamp it enough. That's a lot of clamps. Alright guys, it's time to put the dashboard back in. The thing I'm most concerned about is this vent, because these were all broken mounts, so I had to Gorilla Glue it back in, so it's kind of, hopefully it's in there well, but it does have to kind of go in and click into the tube in there. So this one seems a little bit better, and I did get the cover on. If I can flip it around and show you a little bit better. So this cover came with the truck. It was just laid on there, so I tried to glue it on the right way, and let's get it in and see how it looks. So if I didn't show this before, these have clips that hold it into the back, so you have to make sure they're all seated correctly in the dash, and then they just click into those holes in the top. So that's very important. So this is take two. I had to take the A-pillar covers out to hopefully have some more room to get this snuck in here. And it looks like it is working a little bit better. Got this side started in there. I'm going to try and not destroy our speakers. So should get kind of hard to see if these are getting in there. Can probably look through the windshield or maybe just feel for them. Here's one. Make sure this goes in here, which it did. Probably have to connect up from the bottom. So the passenger side is definitely getting in there correctly. Driver's side, just have to come down. Looks like it's in there as well. You can see how you just push it in and it kind of clicks in. And hope it's all in correctly. Alright, this cover looks real nice for right now. I'll have to clean it. But I feel like that's probably in as far as it needs to go or is going to go. Hi. So I do have a couple of screws under here. There's one on the outside, but I don't think there's any thing for that to go into. So I'm just going to put the 4 under here, and then there's a couple where the gauges go. Seems to be better aligned. I don't know about you, but I can't see a thing down here. Now, compared to what the dash used to look like, I'll do a little flashback here. It was disgusting. The speaker holes were cracked out, the center was cracked out, there was cracks all along the dash, the foam was just old and degraded and falling apart. This new cover is a lot cheaper than buying a new dashboard. These dashboards go for about $500 brand new. If you find an OEM one that's new, it's probably going to cost you twice that. To find one off another truck, it's going to be in the same kind of condition yours in. These covers are only about $100. Thankfully my truck came with it, so they just kind of threw it in here, so I glued it on a little bit better, so it's a little bit more secure. Like I said, I do have to clean it up, but I'm very happy with the way this looks, and it's really going to improve my driving experience. So that's pretty much it for the dashboard. Thanks for watching. Oh, I got to put the A-pillar covers back in, but other than that, we're done. And still, thanks for watching.
Well, that's it for this episode. You can leave comments below, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notifications when new videos are uploaded.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, stay positive, keep on wrenching.
Dad, I need your help.
No?
Dad, help me.
I'm busy. I just started this. I gotta finish it. Ow! Magic of video, do it twice. Let's try that again.